Morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Today at the request of a new subscriber, I'm going to test out laundry that triple action is supposed to get the stains out before you wash, pre-wash. So I'm going to put some stains on a white towel and then we're going to see what works best at getting those stains out. So to get started, I'm just going to pour some cranberry juice on a white towel. And we're going to start testing stains to see what comes out with what leading product on the market is the best at getting stains out. That way you know what to use to pre-treat your laundry. So when I pour the cranberry juice, this is the Shout, this is the Folex. So the Shout seems to get a little bit more out than the Folex did. But we're going to let that sit a little bit more and we're going to continue with some more stains. So this is just to show you the cranberry juice. This is the Shout and this is the Folex, comparing those two products as far as a treatment for laundry pre-wash. So this is a BBQ sauce. I'm going to try it. I'm going to put that on the towel now. We're going to see what takes this out best. So I've got the BBQ sauce on the white towel and I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes, and then we're going to see what removes the stain the best. And again, this was the Shout, and this was the Folex, comparing the two red stains. Okay, so this is the Folex. I'm going to apply to this. We're going to let it sit, and then we're going to blot it. And this is the Shout. We're also going to blot this. I'm just showing you where I'm spraying. So this is the Shout. This is the Folex. So I'm going to let both of them sit, and then I'm going to blot after they have both sat down on the white towel for a few minutes to check their performing power. Okay, so this is the Folex. This is the Shout for the barbecue stains. Now I do feel like the Shout performs better as far as a stain remover pre-treating your laundry. The Shout seems to perform better in my opinion. Now, when it comes to anything red tinged, whether it be, cranberry juice or, blood, rust, anything like that, there's a household product that I think attacks this stain pretty well, and that is Peroxide. So this red stain that I use from the cranberry juice, we're going to use good old-fashioned hydrogen peroxide, and we're going to apply that to the stain and see how that performs. So this is after the peroxide was applied to the white spot. So peroxide, I think, is better for red stains, any red tinge stain. I also think Shout is a really good pre-treat for laundry. Folex, I think maybe, some products, if you have more like pet accidents, and if you have more scrubbing power behind it, excellent for upholstery, especially cleaning your car. I think Folex would be more targeted towards that. But if you can compare here, I think the hydrogen peroxide is definitely a great option for anything red tinged. And again, this was the Shout applied to the barbecue sauce, and this is the Folex. They both did a good job, but I still think the Folex left a little bit behind, and the Shout, once you wash it, could lift a little more, pre-treating it with the Shout. So again, that was testing Peroxide, Shout, and Folex as far as a laundry pre-treatment. So I wanted to follow up and show you the white towel after it has been washed and dried. There are no stains on a white towel whatsoever. No barbecue sauce, no cranberry juice, anything. So I think all the pre-treatments are a great option depending upon your needs. My towel is completely white and clean. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more.